Hey, what's good everyone? Just a quick pickup video for today. Probably not going to be a review at this point of time, and just wanted to give you an update. I bought this New Balance MT580ADC definitely a month ago. Haven't had the time to make a review for it yet, so now's the time. And I'm really wondering why this didn't fly off the shelves to begin with. Reason being, this is so close to a JJJJound, it's not even funny. I mean, the colorway by itself is awesome, but it's really similar. All the colors, the green is almost the same. You have this black 3M on the New Balance logo. We have a cream white midsole, a little bit of pure white thrown in, and beautiful green mesh. And probably the only thing that's separating it from a JJJJound is this brown heel tab here, as you can see. I think it fits the whole colorway and silhouette nicely, but with the JJJJound it probably would be silver 3M or just any other silver material here. But I still like this a lot. Even if there was no JJJJound around, I still like this colorway because it stands out by itself. The hues are pretty nice on this one as well, just like on many other 580s. The suede is really nice. You do get a little bit of a backstroke here throughout the whole panels. Also the mesh is pretty nice, feels nice to the touch. Usual thing here on that 580, I think it's not very far away from a made in USA or made in England New Balance. The devil is probably in the detail, but I don't care about that. I mean, for up to 50% off, because New Balance sold it on the website for 50% off, this is like a no-brainer and you cannot really complain. So if you can find it, grab it. I think it's a great colorway and the model itself looks really nice, especially for people who have bigger or wider feet. This is really a nice fit, and I think this is just a great pickup for fall. Sizing wise, I'm going with my made in England sizing, which is a size 13. I'm a 12.5 in made in USA New Balances. If you're familiar with your 1500 sizing or 991, this is pretty much the same. It's just a little bit wider. So if the 991 is too tight for you, this is your sneaker. So I think that's pretty much it. Not much more to add. That's all from me for today with the New Balance MT580ADC. Very nice thing for fall. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope I'm going to see you in the next one. So thank you very much for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.
Told me I'm the wave, like I'm way out. And see, I know some real ones turn state. Ain't no way I could be out here living like the villain, only way up for me. Moving out the purges, I give time if it was worth it. If you coming for my fam, then you know I take it personal. Say that you the GOAT, I asked around, I never heard of you.